Okay, perfect. Let's take a look at the inputs we will be working with here. These are the same P&L and balance sheet statements we used for our financial statement analysis. What is very convenient in this case is that we have already calculated and analyzed Tesla's historical KPIs, reported under the P&L and balance sheet. This gives us a solid foundation when going forward and forecasting future results. The input data starts from 2014 and covers 2015, 2016, 2017, and the first half of 2018. Another great feature of the exercise we will carry out is that you will learn how to construct a model in which the forecast period does not start on the 1st of January. That's usually the case in real life. We can't only start a valuation model when updated annual data is available. We have to work with financials we currently have. The financials you see here are the same as the ones you will find in Tesla's annual statements and in its quarterly statement for Q2 in 2018. Feel free to go ahead and take a look. Past financials are the foundation on which we will move forward and forecast how Tesla's next 10 years will look.